Hello everybody! In this exercise, let's practice using object forms and possessive forms correctly. Let's use a box for an object. Let's use a wavy line to describe something or somebody. In this exercise, it will also be a possessive adjective or a possessive form of a pronoun. So, let us identify the patterns. If you have an object and a possessive, drop the possessive. If you have an object, a possessive, and an object, drop the first object. If you have a possessive and two objects, drop one of the objects. Are you ready to see the pattern? Let's do it. I see you, your. You is an object and your is a possessive. Keep an object. I see you. I see you. That's an object. Your is a possessive. Face is an object. Drop you. I see your face. I need his. That's a possessive. Him is an object. Help is an object. Drop the object. I need his help. I need his. That's a possessive. Him is an object. Drop the possessive. Keep the object. I need him. I have them. There. Them is an object. There is a possessive. Drop the possessive. I have them. I have them. That's an object. There, a possessive. Address is an object. Drop the first object. There. Keep the possessive. I have their address. Describe it or its. It is an object. Its is a possessive. Drop the possessive. Describe it. Describe it or its location. Its is a possessive. It is an object. Location is an object. Drop one of the objects. Keep the possessive. Describe its location. Now you get to finish the last example. What's the right answer? Tell me in the comments. If you like this content, get on my email list. The link is in my bio.